Now, our dog's dental care is often something that we neglect as pet owners, but as much as humans need to take care of their teeth, well, so do our pets.
We often put a lot of effort into keeping our dogs healthy and fit, but sometimes seem to neglect dental hygiene and the importance of maintaining strong and healthy teeth. I suppose, especially when it comes to our canines, that's the reason why we call them that, but they desperately do rely on their teeth for their overall health. So we are about to speak to veterinary surgeon Dr. Candace Cooper about the importance of dental hygiene for dogs and how we as paw parents, if you will, can help maintain healthy teeth for our dogs, because they can't floss. They can't do it themselves. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us. I'll always make light of these sorts of things, but it is fairly serious. Maybe we can start with the major issues surrounding dental health for dogs and why it's so important to maintain their dental health.
So it's something that pet parents often don't think about because no one's told you about it.
It's not your fault. We're just unaware.
Yeah, that is true. So it's one of the things that I mentioned in my first consultation, 8-week-old puppy. We talk about dental care because if you don't look after your dog's teeth, you end up with abscesses, you end up with soft tissue damage, and probably the biggest effect is if those bacteria in the plaque that is on the teeth go into the bloodstream. They actually seed in the heart and the kidney and the liver, and you can get organ failure from something as simple as plaque. In humans as well, just by the way. Yeah.
What is the greatest cause of ill kind of health within the dental space within dogs?
So pretty much the same as with people. If you don't if you don't have good dental hygiene yourself, you're going to get plaque accumulation that will eventually become tartar. The tartar will damage the soft tissues around the teeth, and then you get bone loss, tooth loss, abscess formation, organ failure.
And within a dog, I mean, they are expressed. So much of our emotional attachment to a dog, or our understanding or perception, is relating to their teeth.
Yeah.
I think in the wild we can understand how that would obviously massively impact them, but
Exactly.
the same applies at home. That being said, all of this, now that we've obviously, hopefully, had the right level of relevance here, the care of, can you brush your dog's teeth?
So usually, and this is why I bring it up when they're puppies, because it's much easier getting a puppy used to its teeth being brushed than a 5-year-old dog that's never had it done before. So definitely, I know it sounds silly, but I mean, there's a reason we brush our teeth, and it's because it's the only thing that actually removes plaque. Yeah. There are other things that help, like chews and a good quality diet, and those things, they will help, but they're not going to remove plaque.
Do you get a dog toothbrush?
There are special veterinary ones.
You were waiting for that one, yeah.
They're great, they're very cute. You get cat ones as well. They are, the head's about that big. So you can use a human one, doesn't really matter, but the vet ones definitely make it a lot easier to do. And most importantly, a pet toothpaste. Please don't use human toothpaste. Yeah.
Is there, just added to that very quickly, is there a special ingredient, or what aren't dogs allowed that would be found in human toothpaste that could be potentially dangerous? So,
well, firstly, they're not big fans of mint, so they're not going to enjoy...
and very strong flavoured mint with that.
Exactly, yes, yeah. So that is already going to put them off, so it's not going to make your job any easier. But yes, fluoride is in human toothpaste, which is fine because we spit it out, but obviously dogs aren't going to be spitting.
Exactly,
that, yeah. So dog toothpaste doesn't have fluoride in it.
Maybe has a nice meaty flavour as well.
I haven't tasted my cat, so I don't know. But
well, if they end up chewing on the toothbrush, you know, you aren't too cold.
Like it.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I think some of this does seem very logical, but by the fact that we omit so much of this, it really does bring to bear the fact that we need to be reminded of these things. So thank you for taking a time out of a very busy practice. I know to do this for us, and hopefully this has kind of had a light bulb moment for you at home. There are a few key things that we should all be doing as responsible paw parents who do really care to make sure our dogs and our cats have healthy teeth. MARLTONS calcium and dental bones for dogs, great way to start to supporting and maintaining healthy and strong teeth for our furry canine friends. But you got to brush. That's the most important thing. Remove that plaque, brush, because we've spoken about just how far-reaching those negative impacts can be on their health. So take the time right now to make that part of their daily routine.